Welcome back. Today I thought that we would do a little productive Monday routine. It's Monday right now. I'm really tired. I really don't feel like having a productive day, but we're doing it. We are doing it. I don't care. And that productive day is going to start with a visit to the gym. So I'm gonna go get changed now and head down there, and then right after that we're going to walk to go grocery shopping, which means that I don't have to do cardio today because I'm going to be carrying back 2 massive bags of groceries, and Ralph's is like almost a mile away, so there you go. Still my zit cream on, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go get changed now. All right, I'm gonna do just a touch of skincare because I'm just gonna come back and shower it all off, so I don't wanna do like the full thing, but I'm just gonna use some of this Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner. And I've heard great things about what this does for dark spots as well as acne scars. Hoping that I see results from this as well. I think really all I wanna do, I'll put a little bit of moisturizer on. I'm gonna use this As If by Nassif You Feel Me moisturizer. There goes the AC, sorry. It's really fluffy and light, so I don't think it'll feel gross on my skin while I'm working out. My lips are so chapped. So the other thing I want to do before leaving for the gym is start on some laundry. That way I can wash while I'm out, and when I come back I can throw it in the dryer. Put all of my dirty reusable cotton pads, which are working great by the way, to their little washer bag here, and laundry time. My laundry exploded. I was digging for something yesterday. Oh God. There we go. Good to go. Let's see, what do we have next? I'm gonna put my hair up, pack my bag. I'm ready to go right after I'm done working out. Bag. Let's pack our bag. My hairdresser cut these really awkward length layers in my hair, even though I said please don't put any layers in my hair. And now it's so hard to get everything back into pony. I'm pretty annoyed about it, not going to lie. Okay, we need to figure out what we want to make. I just want to take a scroll through Pinterest quickly and see. First of all, lots of gorgeous things happening on this main screen right here. But what we need to do, I don't really know what, maybe I should look through what I have saved. Creamy veggies and noodles. Let's see what the deal with this is. Okay, sweet. That's all I needed for that recipe. Maybe I'll get some more not chicken broth. And then I want to make this mushroom and Brussels sprout dish that I've been making. Other things I just need in general is like tofu, ramen noodles, like some wraps, salad kits, bell pepper. I don't know, I think that's probably a pretty good start. I'll know what I need when I'm there. Okay, I need a hat for walking to the store and I think a sweatshirt. Like, it's not gonna be that nice out. Walking back I'll probably regret that decision, but walking there I'll be happy. Just going to shove this stuff in here. Fantastic, let's roll. All right, workout complete. I'm tired. Ready to go grocery shopping. I'm just gonna try to fix myself a little bit and then we are off. We are good to go, and now I am off to get some coffee. Very excited. Oh yeah. Let's see. Yum. We go. I feel like I'm already regretting this sweatshirt decision. It was not smart. Guys, this chicken broth is so good. It's like sort of pricey, but worth it because it tastes amazing, just like chicken broth, but vegan. Ramen noodles for my ramen dishes, which I love. Look what I finally found. Shape cookies. Little footballs are cute too, but gotta go ghost for Halloween. Yes! Lucky. The best kind of tofu, pre-baked and packaged. I'm obsessed. Can't live without it. I only had one produce bag with me. I forgot the other was in the fridge, so I had to do the Brussels sprouts in a plastic bag, which I really hate doing. But these have to be weighed, so they have to be in a separate bag to see just how much these weigh. Otherwise, I would just put it all in one. Fail. Alrighty, I think we have everything now, so time to check out. Alright, we are on our walk home. Good news is, grocery bags are not too heavy this time. I think because I didn't have to buy any canned items, which always weigh me down. So hopefully it won't be too bad of a walk back. Fingers crossed. Literally had to take my sweatshirt off as soon as I got home because it was hot walking there. Look at my shoulders. They're always like banged up after carrying my groceries. But I use it as part of my workout, and then I don't feel as bad if I'm not working out today when I'm picking up groceries. Total BS. Also my hair, total hat hair, I'm so sorry. But we're about to hop in the shower, so whatever. I pretty much showed you guys everything that I got while I was grocery shopping, so I'm just gonna run through it really quickly while I put it away. Chicken broth, I guess not chicken broth. I love having these bins in my fridge because it makes putting my groceries so easy, because I just pull them out, put everything in the bins, and then you're done. Okay, wraps. I got these spinach wraps, which are really good. Connor turned me on to those. Here's my other bag that I was missing because it still has some Brussels sprouts in it. I'm gonna check if they're still good. I feel like they are. I feel like they'll be okay. I'm just saying, this is enough Brussels sprouts for my serving of what I'm gonna make. It costs $1, literally $1. Other veggies I got a carrot, and then 2 more bell peppers. My favorite veggie right now, I seriously add bell peppers into everything. Brussels sprouts can slide in the back there. Of course, my salad kits. I seriously cannot live without these things. They are like the greatest. I am so excited about finding these cookies. I haven't seen them in my grocery store yet this season, so I'm very excited to make these. Ramen noodles. It for in there. Perfect. Almost just dropped my camera. Close one. Okay, sweet. We did it, you guys. Success. I have 10 minutes to run downstairs and grab one last coffee, so I'm going to do that. And since we're in a time crunch, I will tell you about this beauty as soon as I get back from getting coffee. Literally, this is a hideous look, but I really don't care. More coffee. Honestly, could anything ever be better? Probably not. Okay, we're back, and I want to talk to you about this beauty. This is my very first piece of merch ever, called the Molly mug. Speak of the devil. What do you think? Do you like it? Just like, no. As you can see, it has a cute little doodle of Molly all over it. It's adorable. Molly, I really am in the middle of something. Thank you. And I am obviously just obsessed with it. I've been drinking out of it every single day. It retails for $25, but it has free shipping throughout the US, so no additional fees added on at the end where it looks cheap, and then by the time you check out, it's like $10 more expensive. I just wanted to like give you guys the flat cost of what it would be. Plus I wanted to be able to cover shipping for you guys. I just, you know, thought that would be easiest. So there you go. I will have a link down below where you can go shop this. I announced it on my vlog channel on Friday, and so many people already ordered them, which I am so excited about. And I also let them know on my vlog channel that there'll be lots of additional holiday merch coming out next month. I am going to enjoy my coffee and start going through my emails, and then we will hop in the shower. Oh, I have to switch over my laundry. Jill. I love when I remember early enough. Usually it's like 5 hours later. I'm like, well, great. I'm about to hop in the shower now. I want to wash my hair and everything. I don't know, I'm really not that hungry for lunch yet, but it is sort of lunchtime. I'm filming a whole sort of hair routine type video though today, so not gonna show too much of what I'm doing with my hair in this video because that will be up later, probably in November sometime. Well, yeah, I mean, this is the last video of October, so more than likely. Okay, nice and comfy post shower, including my cute little slippers. I guess time to make some lunch because it's 1:30. Okay, for lunch, I have this salad that I made last week that I'm gonna take a look at. Gonna be put into a wrap and saved. I mean, the lettuce isn't brown or wilted or anything. I think it's really just like the crunchy bits that will be like sort of because they've obviously been sitting in dressing for a while. But I think in wrap form, like this can be saved. Starting with some sriracha ranch dressing here for the bottom of the wrap. Scoop this in here. And I'm just gonna start with this and see if it makes a full enough wrap. I sort of think it will. Look how high this is piled up. Oh my gosh. The only thing I'm going to add is a little bit of everything but the bagel seasoning on top. So this is like jam-packed with stuff. I have some vegan ground round. I have lettuce, bell pepper, corn, carrots, all sorts of stuff is in here. This will be super filling and super delicious. Alrighty, I'm going to eat this and take a work call in the meantime. Okay, lunch was delicious and I realized I didn't do skincare when I got out of the shower. My skin is like, why are you doing this to me? Let's do it. I'm going to start with, yeah, I think I'm gonna use my Witch Hazel and Rose Water Toner from Mario Badescu, just to help get some more moisture into my skin. My skin is feeling sort of on the drier side. I'm probably dehydrated. Moisturizer, I'm going to use the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Has like a pretty like thick consistency, but it smells incredible, like another level of good. And of course, on my neck. Don't forget the back of your neck too. And any excess I just like to put on my chest, back of my hands. Let's do my favorite serum, the Joanna Vargas Daily Serum. It smells so incredible. I love it. Alrighty, so I have some work to do. So that's what I'm going to be working on. Editing a video, stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna work on next. Oh, and then we're going to film some auditions, or rather record, because they're voiceover. Record some auditions that I have. I have 2 that are due this week, so I'm just gonna knock them out today. Hello, a few hours later. It is, oh my God, I can't believe it's 4:15. This day is going so quickly, you guys. I seriously can't even keep up with it. So I'm about to move in to start working on my auditions. I have another work call in 45 minutes, so I'm gonna try to get through both of them. I should be able to. Usually these are pretty simple to get through, and then I'll edit them after my work call. But I have that at 5. So I'm thinking that I could probably get through these. I do have to, honestly, I didn't look at the script for one of them yet. I forgot that I didn't even look at that. I guess I should go through that first. So maybe I'll film that one tomorrow. So I'm only gonna film one today, which means I can definitely get it done. I literally cannot say a word about this audition. I have to sign an NDA and everything before sending it in. It's a cool project and I'm gonna leave it at that. It is voiceover and that's it, because NDA. Ugh, this bug bite right here is killing me right now. Please, no. Sweet, so let's head to the bathroom where I film my voiceover auditions because it's nice and quiet in there. All right, we got our setup in here, microphone. Okay, you guys, cue the time lapse. And done. Okay, oh my God, so itchy. I need to put something on this. I literally don't even know what this stuff is. I mean, it's like an antibiotic cream. Nestosil, I don't know. But you can only get it in Holland, and I grew up on this stuff. We call it Dutch cream.
naturally, and you put it on literally everything. It's like in the Big Fat Greek Wedding where they just put Windex on everything and they think that solves everything. That's Dutch cream to us. I don't know, I will literally put it on any single thing and trust that it will make it better. I'm gonna go edit this now before my work call, and then we will hop on that and probably do a little bit more work. But we're in pretty good shape. Like, I feel like I can probably work until 6 or 6:30 tonight and be good. In my opinion, that is a win because last Monday I worked for 12 hours, so I'll take what I can get. Well, remember when I said I could be done working by 6:30 today? Joke is on me. That call that I just hopped off of, which by the way took an hour and a half, just gave me a ton more work to do. I don't have to get it all done today, of course, but I do want to make some good headway on it. I feel like it won't take me that long. So anyway, basically here is my plan. I'm going to work for the next like 45 minutes to an hour, and then going to make dinner, and then I will come back and work a little bit more if I have to, or decide to. It's because I don't mind like working a little bit after dinner. It's just like sort of mindless stuff, just changes to be made. So we'll see about that, but I'm gonna put in at least another 45 minutes or an hour. Oh, Monday. So I just finished up one project, so I feel good about that, and I'm gonna stop there for that kind of work for the night. I need to make dinner, which is what I'm gonna do now, but I'm filming it for Monday Cravings, which if you don't know, it's a thing that I do every Monday on my Instagram where I cook on my Instagram story, so I need to do that. I'll try to get like a few clips for this video, but hard to film all of the things. All right, progress update on dinner. The veggie pasta is really coming together. We're just letting it simmer and get nice and thick now, and I am very excited. And here's the completed product. It tastes so good, you guys. I just tried it for the first time and it tastes amazing. So if you want to see the full thing of how I made this, go check it out on my Instagram. You can find it all there. And now I shall eat and watch some drama go down on Gossip Girl. This is seriously my favorite thing in the world. Just sitting here snuggling with my cat. Look at how cute she is. Hi, bestie. What are you thinking about? I can't deal. How would you guys not want a cute little mug with this little face on it? Shit. Oh, got an itch. That's cute. Shameless self-plug though. Okay, enough like fawning over my cat for no reason. She's just really, really cute. Oh, wait, she's on the move. Oh, she just wanted to get more on top of me. She likes to be all the way on top of me, but it's just uncomfortable for me, so I try to stop her from doing that. So once I am finished with work and everything for the day, I like to get my apartment into what I like to call comfy mode. Let me show you how it's done. Turning on this guy, which turns on this cute little pumpkin here. Wait, there she is. Actually, should we name her? She doesn't have a name yet. Leave suggestions for a name down below. Something cute and fall. Speaking of cute, hi. And then of course I have to light some candles. Amaze. This candle is like hard to light for some reason. It's super annoying. Oh, it's gonna behave this time, that's good. And then lastly, this guy right over here. Hello. And then the finishing touch is just putting on my string lights here. And I like to turn off my other lights too, just that way it's nice and comfy cozy. There we go. Alrighty guys, I think that that's it for today's video actually. It's 8:30, I'm gonna go lay in bed in honestly like an hour, and so this is pretty much the end of like me being productive, which was the whole point of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today though, and I'll catch you in my next video.